Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we are going to learn something very special, something very powerful. We will learn how to think in English. Yes, think in English. Are you ready?
Hi, Jessica. Hi, listeners. Yes, I'm ready. Thinking in English sounds hard, but I want to learn.
Don't worry, Jack. And don't worry, listeners. We will learn it slowly, step by step. We will keep everything simple, easy, and friendly. And we will practice together many times.
Great. I'm excited to start.
Before we start learning how to think in English, let's first understand why it is important. When you think in English, speaking becomes faster, listening becomes easier, and you feel more confident.
So thinking in English helps speaking?
Yes, Jack, absolutely. Thinking in English makes your mind ready for English words. It helps your brain move faster. Listeners, can you repeat after me? Thinking in English helps me speak better.
Thinking in English helps me speak better.
Okay, the first step to think in English is use simple English words in your mind. Very simple words.
Simple words. Like what?
Like book, water, chair, phone, open, close. Very small words.
Oh, that is easy.
Yes, very easy. You don't need big words. Start with small words. Now, listeners, let's practice. Look around your room, find something, and name it in English in your mind. Say it silently, not with your mouth, only in your mind.
In my mind, I say chair.
Great job! Now, listeners, choose one object. Think of the English name. Think it in your mind. Ready? Go. Good. That is step 1. Repeat. Think simple words.
Think simple words.
After simple words, we move to step 2. Think in simple English sentences.
Simple sentences like I eat, I walk, I drink, I sit, I read.
Exactly. Very easy sentences. Let's try some together. Repeat after me. I eat. I walk. I drink. I sit. I read.
I eat. I walk. I drink. I sit. I read.
Great. Now, listeners, say them with us. I eat. I walk. I drink. I sit. I read. One more practice. Think of a simple sentence in your mind, not out loud. For example, I am happy. Now you try. Think one sentence silently.
I thought, I am tired.
Very good. This is how we start thinking in English. Small things, simple sentences. Now, step 3 is very powerful. Step 3 is think in English about what you are doing right now.
Oh, like if I am eating, I think I am eating. If I am walking, I think I am walking.
Yes, exactly. This is called self-talk, talking to yourself in your mind. Let's practice. Right now, I am talking. So I think I am talking.
Right now, I am listening. So I think I am listening.
Great job. Listeners, you try now. Think, I am listening. I am learning. I am practicing. Think these sentences silently in your mind. Good. Okay, Jack. Step 4 is fun. You ask yourself simple questions in English.
Questions. Like what?
Very simple questions. For example, what is this? What am I doing? What do I need? What time is it?
Easy questions.
Yes, easy questions help your brain stay in English. Let's practice together. I ask, what is this? In my mind, I answer, this is my phone.
I ask, what am I doing? And I answer, I am learning English.
Perfect. Listeners, now it's your turn. Ask yourself, what am I doing? And answer in your mind. Good job. Asking questions keeps your mind active in English. Now, Jack, here is a very important step. Step 5 is stop translating from your first language.
This is hard for many people.
Yes, but we can learn slowly. When you translate in your head, your brain becomes slow. We want your brain to think directly in English.
So, no translating?
Yes, no translating. I will try to think in English.
I will try to think in English.
Listeners, your turn. I will try to think in English. Step 6 is simple. Use English in small things in your daily life. For example, write your shopping list in English. Name objects around you in English. Think your feelings in English. Plan your day in English.
Oh, so I can say in my mind, I need milk. Or, I need bread.
Yes, exactly. Let's practice feelings. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am excited.
I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am excited.
Great! Listeners, say these with us. Repeat phrases slowly. This step is very helpful. Think in English using pictures or images in your mind.
Pictures how?
For example, if you see a cup, think of the word cup. Don't think in your language. Just picture the cup and say cup in your mind.
Oh, so picture plus English word.
Yes, this trains your brain to connect English with real life. This next step helps you grow fast. Think about yesterday in English. Think about tomorrow in English. Let's try together. Yesterday, I cooked dinner. Jack?
Yesterday I watched TV.
Good. Now the future. Tomorrow, I will study English. Your turn.
Tomorrow I will meet my friend.
Excellent. Listeners, think of one sentence about yesterday and one sentence about tomorrow in English in your mind. Great job. Here is the next step. Think about your plans in English. For example, I will go to the market. I will clean my room. I will study at night.
Oh, that's easy. I can think, I will play football. I will call my friend.
Perfect. Listeners, think of one plan in English. Just one. Good. And the final step. Think in English for just 5 minutes every day.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, only 5 minutes, but every single day. Start with small words, then small sentences, then describe your actions, then ask yourself easy questions. Slow and simple.
I think I can do that.
I know you can. Listeners, you can do it too. Okay, everyone, let's review all 10 steps. Ready?
Yes, let's review.
Tick step 1. Think simple words. Tick step 2. Think simple sentences. Tick step 3. Describe what you are doing. Tick step 4. Ask easy questions. Tick step 5. Stop translating. Tick step 6. Use English in daily life. Tick step 7. Think with images. Tick step 8. Think about past and future. Tick step 9. Think about plans. Tick step 10. Think in English for 5 minutes daily. Great job today. You learned how to think in English, step by step. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes can change your English.
Yes. And remember, simple steps, simple practice every day.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.